Okay, now science 1, chapter number 2. For first chapter, I will send you answer solutions and the numericals, which I have already explained. But those who have not written the notes, for them I will write. And please write me what how you like this, कैसा लगा आपको मेरा भाषण आज का, स्पेशली लिख कर मुझे भेजना. I have spent that time to motivate. On board, 3 words I have written. That is the name of the chapter. Always in any subject, language हो, maths हो, science हो, that title it is very important. फिल्म देखने जाते हैं ना, तो फिल्म का टाइटल होता है, तो टाइटल से पता चलता है अंदर होगा क्या. अंदर हिस्ट्री होगी, अंदर मारामारी होगी, अंदर लव होगा, अंदर क्या होगा. टाइटल, 3 वर्ड, पीरियोडिक, क्लासिफिकेशन, एलिमेंट. पहले उसका मतलब सीखो, फिर टॉपिक के अंदर घुसो. डोंट डिस्टर्ब. हाँ, after lecture you can go, I said बच्चा. Now see, three only face to face instruction. अरे मैडम will meet you face to face, that's it. Regarding this attendance, one and only point regarding this attendance. Now come to the point. There are 3 words. Close the mic. There are 3 words: periodic, classification, element. Try to understand the meaning of these 3 words. What is the meaning of periodic? Which happen again and again, but in a regular interval of time. Which happens again and again in regular interval of time. Every Monday 7 o'clock you are coming to my lecture. Periodic. Sunrise, sunset, periodic. Friday to Friday, periodic. So the things which happen again and again, repeatedly, after a certain period of time, that is periodic. Classification. Any classification, male, female, living, non-living, physics, chemistry, book, not book, pen, pencil, any classification, animal, plant, any type of classification are on the base of 2 things. I'm not talking about maths or science or history. Any classification means distinguish. Classification means distinguish. Always on the base of 2 things: similarity, dissimilarity. Suppose in a 9th B, 10th B register, there are 74 names. You will read. From that you can come to know that it is he is a boy or she is a girl. Riyan, boy. Rakesh, boy. Afsana, girls. Komal, girls. So boys goes in boys group, girls goes in group. Similarity, if it is again boys, similar to the boy goes. Now Komal, so it, not boy, opposite goes in another. So any classification are on the base of 2 topics: similarity, dissimilarity. If it is similar, goes in same group. If it is not similar, goes in different group. This elements. What is the element? Nitrogen is element, oxygen is element, carbon is element, gold is element, silver is element, mercury is element, Fluorine element, chlorine element, iodine element. What is the element? The element, it is a matter. Made up of molecules. Molecules are made up of atom. The molecules which are made up of same type of the atom. Oxygen means O only. Hydrogen means H only. But carbon dioxide is CO2 means C is also there, O is also there, not similar type. When there is only single type of atom are present in a molecule, it is an element. In element, all the atoms are similar, are same. That is why we are writing O2, oxygen and oxygen, nothing more. H2, hydrogen, hydrogen, nothing more. Carbon, only C, not more than that. So when same type of the atoms are present, it is known as element. Periodic comes again and again at the regular interval of time. Classification on 2Ds, similarity, dissimilarity. Elements having similar type of atom. Now we have to learn the history of element. We will start from basic classification of the element. Starting very first time, classification, first time classification, divided into two groups. They are selected carbon, non-metal, hydrogen, non-metal, gold, metal, iron, metal, copper, metal. Very first time the available elements were divided into two groups, that is metal and non-metal. Which based similarity, dissimilarity. Which are non-metal, this side. Which are metal, this side. Non-metal, 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 non-metal. Now metal, dislike, opposite group. Similarity, same group. Dissimilarity, different group. Very first time, very few elements were there. And they have started classification of the element on the basis of metal, non-metal. तो क्या होता है कि जो एक फॉर्मूला फ्लॉप होती है तो फिर उस पर रिसर्च कर दे क्या क्या मिस्टेक है, देन दे विल फाइंड द सेकेंड लेटेस्ट मेथड. तो ये फेल हो गई फर्स्ट, वेरी फर्स्ट. इसके बाद तो फिफ्थ सिक्स जो अभी मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल जो हमें लर्न करना है, दैट इज फिफ्थ और सिक्स. फर्स्ट, व्हाई दिस क्लासिफिकेशन, व्हाई दिस idea becomes flop. They got some element. मैंने क्या बोला, सिमिलैरिटी डिसिमिलैरिटी. सेम टू नॉन मेटल है तो इसमें जाएगा, इफ इट इज मेटल इसमें जाएगा. नॉन मेटल नॉन मेटल नॉन मेटल, फिर एक मेटल, डिसिमिलैरिटी डिफरेंट, मेटल मेटल मेटल, अगेन नॉन मेटल, सिमिलर डिसिमिलर, सिमिलर डिसिमिलर. Classified into two groups, but some element having the property of both metal, non-metal. Now where it can go? Here also similar, here also similar, here also dissimilar, here also dissimilar. Where it will go? So first classification becomes fail. ના રાત્રે હમણાં સ્કૂલ જાવ છું, હમણાં સ્કૂલ જવાના પતે સાંજે સાંજે આવે પછી ક્યારે આવે છે ખબર નહીં. First classification done in metal, non-metal, then it is failed because some are the element having the both property, metal and non-metal. See, now there is a lots of confusion for this third type of the metal. There are different word they are using even in the SSC board question paper. So you have to be alert that the meaning of these word are equal. Which, what I said, it is divided into two parts: metal, non-metal. Some element having the property of both, so they cannot be placed in metal, they cannot place in non-metal. That is why this idea flop divided and classified into two group, metal, non-metal flop, because some are having the both the property. The elements having the property of metal and non-metal are said to be metalloid. Metal and non-metal. Metalloid. For metalloid, there are different different word spelling. For metalloid, they are using semi-metal, means metal also, non-metal also. Semi-metal, half metal, semi-metal, metalloid. This type of the word. For same definition will be the same. The element having the property of metal and non-metal are said to be semi-metal, half metal, metalloid. Next, second group. Short form is DT, Dobberiner triad. साहिल से 9:30 हो गया बच्चा, आप बहुत लेट आते हो. Second group, that is DT, Dobberiner triad. Name of scientist is not given. Name of scientist is given. Dobberiner. From there only the name of law is Dobberiner. So Dobberiner triad. What exactly it is? They have taken three elements having same chemical property. Group of two, now group of three, that is why it is triad. Group of three elements having the same chemical property are arranged in the order of increasing order of atomic mass. What is atomic mass? In the nuclei there is proton and neutron. So the sum of proton plus neutron is equal to A, and A is atomic mass. Taken three element, arrange, taken three element which have same chemical property. Three element, first point, same chemical property. Second point, third point, find out the atomic mass and write in increasing order. Suppose one have 12, one have 19, one have 32. So first 19, then first 12, then 19, then 32. Like that, increasing order. So that the atomic mass of middle element is exactly equal to the average of rest of two. That I am explaining with this. First example, you have to remember Li Na K. In a form of spelling, you have to remember Li Na K. Lithium, sodium, potassium. Chemically forget, but how to remember? फिर आप बोलोगे सर ने गलत लिखा है, इसका कोई नाम नहीं. I have mixed that symbol and try to explain with the spelling that in exam you can write Li na ke, Lina-K, Li na ke, lithium, sodium, potassium, atomic mass 7, 39, 46, 23. Dauber have taken 3 elements. First point. Second, same chemical property. These are highly reactive element or a highly reactive metal. Then find the atomic mass 723, 39. 723, 39. This you have to write because this you have to remember because we have to explain what is the exactly average. So what is the law? If 3 elements are arranged in increasing order of the atomic mass, so the middle's atomic mass is the average of rest of 2. Average means what? 7 plus 39 divided by 2. It is 46 divided by 2. It is 23. First, metal non-metal, it's failed because of metalloid element. Next, Dauber-Nernst-Ried. What is the law of Dauber-Nernst-Ried? If 3 elements having the same chemical property are arranged in increasing order of atomic mass, then atomic mass of middle element out of 3, atomic mass of middle element will be the average of rest of 2. I know that 7, 23, 39. So this plus this divided by 2, it is 23. It is coming exactly. First, smallest triads they have taken. Then next. Then it is not exactly equal. Some difference. Suppose it is 17. So it is 17.2 or 16.8. Some difference, but nearby the average. Then third taken higher number. Then this difference goes on increasing, and at the end this is also failed. Name of scientist Dauber-Reinert. Name of law Dauber-Nernst-Ried. What is the definition of Dauber-Nernst-Ried? 3 elements of having same chemical property are arranged in the increasing order of the atomic mass. The middle atomic mass is exactly equal to the rest of, so average of rest of 2. Then with one example, Lina-K, explain. Then write atomic number. Then formula, middle one is the average of rest of 2. So 7 plus 39 is equal to 46 divided by 2 is equal to 23. It is equal. Now, this is the law, example, average, formula, name of the scientist, definition. This. Now, why this is failed? Because of metalloid. Why this is failed? This is failed. This is failed because for higher atomic mass, this average difference goes on increasing. So it will not satisfy to the definition that the average of the rest of 2 is exactly equal to the middle. It is failed. So second is also failed. Then third, Newland's octaves. Newland's octave. Octave means what? Hexagonal means 6, septagonal 7, octane. Newland's octave means 8. Here 2 groups, here 3 groups. Now, third try by Newland's, the name of scientist Newland's, and the name of law Newland's octave. Octave means 8. Now instead of 2, instead of 3, now 8 group. But it is a very long topic. Half of we can't manage. You have to go to the school. I have to also go to the school. But please share my message to your all friend of 10th B that they must be present because with the attendance आप लोगों को बहुत